Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, beautiful 2D shapes and beautiful color. Kids, colors name: sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, orange color, blue color, brown color and red color, light green color and pink color. Shapes drawing, kids. Circle, star, pentagon, triangle, hexagon, heart. Kids, color wheel, red color, circle, green color, star, green color, star, blue color, pentagon, brown color, triangle, purple color, hexagon, pink color, heart, pink color, heart, circle, star, pentagon, triangle, hexagon, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.